Kum ke jingsdang ke Meghalaya hakasngi Nyngkong kalapha haduh ton Sohniamtra ba Pynmih na kanihi ke Jylla ban shalan Dubai. Shwa ban phah ikini giso kategori kaladon Shwa ke jingialang ke lyngkot ha IATC Upper Shillong ha kaba ke Myntri kerap ke riang kong Ampareen Lyngdoh donlang nalor MLA ke thain Bah Ronnie V Lyngdoh ke ophisar bat kiwei.
Today we are talking of 20 metric tons. If you look at farmers' benefit, you're looking at a good 20 to 25 lakh economics. And when you're looking at a marketing, by the time it reaches across the seas into a faraway land, we are going to be looking at about approximately under 50 lakhs of business. And this is just for one product. One product in isolation. We've not looked at the pineapple. We've not looked at the spices. We've not looked at other fruit materials like jackfruit. We've not looked at the potential of our jams, our juices. And for me, this journey of 8 months in this department has taken me to a big eye-opening realization that one day very shortly we will be producing potatoes of high quality for chip making and vegetables. We will go places together and we will show the people of the state of Meghalaya that you can go places. You may be a small state of 30 plus lakh people, but we can be a voice in this nation and we can make a difference and we can make sure that everybody stops complaining that I don't have a job when there is so much for everyone to do. Point is, will you do your job? It is to be seen, to be tested. But for those that have tested and have become successful, please speak about your success and show others who may not understand that it is all possible. Thank you to Apeda and all that you do. And God bless this beautiful state of Meghalaya. Jai Hind, Khubor, Mithila.